How to back up your camera roll on Snapchat. So if you want to back up your camera roll, then first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application. Make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, now you can go to the upper left corner which has your profile icon. And then you can go to settings, which is on the upper right corner. And here if you scroll down, you will have memories option. You can simply tap on memories. And here you will have save destinations, so you can simply tap on save button. And here you will have three options: memories and camera roll, and then camera roll only. So if you want to save your snaps to your memories and then your camera roll, then you can simply tap on memories and camera roll. But if you want to save it only in the memories of snap, then you can simply go to the first option. But if you want to save it to your camera roll, then you can go to the last option. So I'll be choosing memories and camera roll. So that's it. That's how you back up your camera roll on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.